Hello everyone, in this video I am going to talk about the consonant sounds, the IPA alphabet. Present B. Karen Dayana Delgado Melo, address to Maria Teresa Salamanca, Road 23, May 2021. First letter, P sound, P sound. Voicing and voicing, place of articulation bilabial, manner of articulation plosive, position of the soft palate oral, place and manner of articulation bilabial. The articulation occurs throughout the upper and lower lip touching each other momentarily. For example, my lips upper and lower touching momentarily. P, p, plosive. The R string is released abruptly leading to a blast like release of the air that highs while up. Um, Explanation how to articulate sound. Possible positioning. The word that begins with the letter P, the sound of the letter will be aspirate. That is when this consonant is produced. What we do is extract a letter air from our mouth. For example, per, per, point, point, pet, pet. The letter P at the end of the word. The sound of the letter will not be aspirate, that is, it will sound like the pronunciation of the letter P and spines. For example, keep, keep, hold, hold, step, step. When the letter P is accompanied with the letter S, the sound of the P will not be aspirate. For example, speak, speak, speech, speech, spam, spam. When P is accompanied with the letter H, the sound of the P and H change to A. For example, phantom, phantom. Sentence. When he was painting his room, he stained his pants. Other sentence. She drew with her pencil on a page of the notebook. Pronunciation exercise. To experience how the letter P sounds, practice the following exercise. 1. Make your upper and lower lips touch each other momentarily and then release their air. Place your hand at a distance of 5 cm from your mouth and you will feel the shock or explosion of the sound. For example, my distance of 5 cm you move. Explosion of the sound. Do pronunciation exercise. In the same way, you can take a sheet of paper, take it from the two ends, and you will make the sound again. The sheet bends, and you can feel the explosion bar. My paper. Okay. Finally, It should be noted that this consonant has no sound, that is at the sounds in which the vocal cord do not vibrate. Vocal cord do not vibrate. For example, okay, two letter, ba, ba, voice, voice. Place of articulation, bilateral. Manner of articulation, plosive. Position of the soft palate, oral. Place and manner of articulation, bilabial, that is, the lips momentarily touch and close the air. Plosive, there is complete tonics or union of the articulatory organ. Then the air stream is abruptly released, leading to a bruise-like release of the air that has built up pressure behind the organs together. This sudden burst is what is referred to in the name give to the sounds that are called stops. Explanation who the articulate sound. Possible positionation. The word that begins with the letter B, the sound that is produced is inhaled. That is when this consonant is produced, what we do is exhale or remove the air from our mouth. For example, back, 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 black, black, boy, boy. The letter B at the end of the word sound of the letter is not aspirate, that is, it will sound like the pronunciation of the letter B in Spanish. For example, web, web, clap, clap, crap, crap. When the B is located after the M in the same syllable, the letter B will be silent, that is, it will not be pronounced. For example, boom, boom, clean, claim, claim. Sentence. She wants a bicycle, a ball, beer, book, ball princess, and a teddy bear for her birthday. He went to the park by bus, and there he found a toy bag. Pronunciation exercise. To experience food, the letter P sounds, sound, the letter B sounds. Practice the following exercise. 1. Place a finger on your vocal cords in this part and make the sound of the letter B. 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 In this specific part of the chords there is a vibration. For example, finger on my vocal cords. B, 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 vibration. B. For example, p sound, no vibration. Okay. Second pronunciation exercise. That it into account the location of the lips. That is, they have to come together blocking the eye. That repeat the exercise several times and pronounce a word. For example, my lips. B, b, bus, b, b, bus. Okay. Finally, it should be We note that this consonant does have sound. It is voice. That is the vocal cord vibrate. Bah, bah. Okay, three letter. Mm, mm. Voice. Place of articulation, bilabial manner of articulation, plosive position, nasal. Place and manner of articulation, bilabial. That is, the lips are closed and blood the air outlet. Nasal. This means that air and sound are not going to be produced through the mouth, so sound and air are going out through the nose, where the soft palate is lowered, allowing air to escape through the nose. These sounds are described as continuous. Explanation: how to articulate sound. To identify the sound of the letter it should be noted that the air and the sound must be exported through the nose. So at this moment, I feel like the air rise to my nasal part every time I make sound as my lips must be closed completely. Example: map, map, magic, magic, meet, meet. The sound. Sentence. Mm, my mother has a lot of money and she is going to buy me a monkey. In the circus, there was a great magic show and the magician had a very beautiful mask. Pronunciation exercise. To experience how the letter sound, practice the following exercise. 1. Close your mouth and make the sound through your nose, as if your hands in a delicious food. Your tongue should not touch any part of your mouth. You can repeat this exercise several times. For example, mm, mm, mm. I had sent a delicious food. Mm, mm. Uh, to a pronunciation exercise. Look up, look up words in the dictionary that are written or that have the letter to practice their sound and learn new vocabulary. Sorry, dictionary. Practice. Finally, it should be noted that his consonant does have sound. It is voiced, that is the vocal cord vibrate. For example, mm, mm, vibrate the vocal cord. Thank you so much.